welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, welcome. My name's Andrea and I've gone keto. I went keto in June of 2018, not only to help lose a little bit of weight, but to get healthy. And now I am sharing the tips and tricks and recipes that I've learned along my path. Today, I am gonna try to check in with you guys to show you basically what I eat in a day. And today I'm at work. My kids are at school. I just dropped them off. I'm at work. But I'm on a special project, you might say. I am painting a tire. Yes, you heard me right. I'm painting a tire. I am making a tire look like a little ladybug so that we can make a planter. I'm also going to do a bumblebee, so I'll show you those as they progress. But so far today, all I've had is some coffee. I made an iced coffee, a little bit of ice, heavy cream, and liquid stevia. That's all I've had so far, and it is about 9:30. So as the day progresses and as my tire progresses, I will check in with you guys. Yeah. Okay, so it is now 11:30, so it's been about 2 hours, and I am finally done with the planters. Now we just made plants to put in them, so let me show you what I did. This is the ladybug. And so we'll put some gravel and dirt down in there and to secure it, and then we'll put some plants on top. We're not sure what kind of plants yet, but this is the bumblebee. So yeah, that's what I did all morning. So I'm starting to get a little hungry, so I'm gonna clean up and go inside and do some work. So for lunch today, I have cheese and a meat stick. And that's pretty much what I'm going to eat until dinner later tonight. So check in again later. Bye, guys. Okay, so I ate the meat stick and the piece of cheese, and I started noticing that I was still kind of hungry. I had to go run some errands for my boss, and she wanted lunch, so I got a burger, and I got this right here. This is the Burger King cheddar bacon Big King, and I got it plain, so no sauces, no ketchup, no mayonnaise, no sauce, and no bun. So basically it is 2 large hamburger patties, some cheddar cheese, looks like there is a slice of American cheese in there, and bacon. So I'm gonna go in and have some lunch. I also did get a Diet Coke. Yes, I drink Diet Coke. I try to limit my Diet Coke, but I still indulge in Diet Coke. So, anyway, so I'll check in. Hey guys, so now it is about 10 minutes to 6, so it's dinner time. So let me show you what I'm having for dinner tonight. So I made one egg, made an egg salad with one egg, about a tablespoon of mayonnaise, some mustard, and a little bit of about a teaspoon of the sugar-free sweet relish. I've got a little bit of Colby Jack cheese, some pork rinds to put in here, and then yesterday was my mom's birthday, so we're gonna have a piece of Good D's carrot cake and some fresh strawberries, probably maybe about half a cup of strawberries. And this is don't mind the dishes, I have to do dishes. This is the Good D's mix. This is something that I do for a special occasion. It is low carb and sugar free, and it is made with watermelon and sunflower seeds, and equals out to be, for a 1/12 of a piece, which that is a 1/12 of a cake, is 11 grams. So yeah, that's pretty typical for my day, what I eat. And unless it's a special occasion or I'm doing a recipe or something like that, but if it's a simple night where I just don't feel like cooking, that's pretty much what I do. So I really hope that you guys like this video. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so it tells you when I upload another video. Make sure you hit the like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.